story-alongs. If you love this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.
On a beautiful summer day, the cars were happily playing in the meadow next to their town. The sun was shining beautifully, the birds were chirping, and the cars were joyfully playing ball. When suddenly... What was that? Earthquake. Very frightening. We hope it doesn't happen again.
Uh-oh, there might be a problem.
The ground is shaking under their wheels. What could be causing this? What do you think? Let's look around.
Uh-oh, there's a volcano. I think it's going to erupt. We need to inform the volcanologists to examine it.
You're right. That's a good idea. Here's the first researcher. Do you know what's on the back of his truck?
Yes, it's a seismometer.
You're incredibly clever. Yes, a seismometer. Also known as a seismograph. Do you know how it works?
It has a roll of paper and a moving pencil that moves during an earthquake.
Yes, and meanwhile it draws a line on the paper.
Wow, then there must be a big earthquake now.
Oh no, there's a big problem.
The volcano research pickup can't go up.
We need to warn the public that a volcanic eruption is expected.
Yes, cars! Quickly leave the city.
Attention, attention, a volcanic eruption is expected. Everyone leave the city. Attention, attention, a volcanic eruption is expected. Everyone leave the city.
Wow, look over there. There's lava in it. What a heat.
Yes, and it's rising. Get the helicopter. Then the volcano erupted.
The lava is flowing straight towards the city. We have to do something.
We'll blast a big pit in the path of the lava, so it can't get through.
Good idea. Have the helicopter bring explosives, like the ones used to blast tunnels during construction.
No! The lava filled the pit, and it's still flowing.
We need a new idea. How can we stop the lava?
We need to call the firefighters to start spraying the spilled lava. The cold water will solidify it.
Look over there. You were right. The water cooled the lava, and it's no longer flowing.
The city is saved. But what happened to the volcano?
The lava is flowing into the sea. Look, the lava has formed an island in the sea. We stopped the volcano. The city is saved. But now we also know that it can not only destroy, but also create an island.